everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. There are so many different variations to coffee, and today we are going to make the special mocha coffee. Well, this is just a combination of chocolate, coffee and milk, and it tastes simply delicious when had nice and chilled. So let's get started and check it out. For the Mocha Cold Coffee, first I'm going to make the chocolate coffee mixture. To a saucepan, I'm adding 1/4 cup of water. So once the water is heated, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of instant coffee granules. Next, I'm adding 50 grams of chocolate gallets. Keeping the flame on low, mix it well till it's completely melted. This is dark chocolate gallets. You can use milk chocolate, you can use regular chocolate pieces. Turn off the heat. The chocolate will just melt in that heat. It's got that beautiful, rich, creamy texture. So those of you who like it a little sweet, you can add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk or you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just mix that in. This is going to give you that nice mild sweetness. Wow, it's so silky and smooth. So you can see the mixture is a bit thick, so I'm just going to dilute it a little bit by adding a little milk here. I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of boiled and cooled milk. Once it's all well combined, keep it aside. Bring the mixture to room temperature. To the blender, I'm adding 500 ml of milk. It's about half liter. This is boiled and cooled milk. Now add the coffee chocolate mixture into the blender and blend everything till it's all well combined. Wow, just look at that beautiful mocha coffee. All you have to do is enjoy it nice and chilled with a lot of ice cubes in it. Well, it's time to enjoy this nice cold mocha coffee. Wow, the combination of coffee, my favorite of course, and chocolate is just amazing. It's so cool and refreshing. I'll just love it. Sip, smile and repeat. Who will you share this mocha coffee with? Well, I'm going to probably share it with my husband, but just tasting this, I think I'll probably have it all by myself. Do give it a try, enjoy and share this recipe with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today.